we'll start with the PiStorm. Just make sure it's fairly pushed in. Go slowly. It's always a tight fit, and then see these pins here? I want to put some tape on top of them, something like that. Whatever you like. You can put a bit of plastic sometimes. Put a bit of plastic on top like that. Or the back of the keyboard can have some insulation as well. And then you can put everything back together. And then we're going to switch it on. You'll hear the switch on sound, and then you hear the sound. That means it works. Everything beyond this point is going to be software related, SD card related if anything stuffs up, but generally won't stuff up. There you go. There's the screen. I've got it running through RGB as well, so it just looks more authentic to what it's going to look like for you. But yeah, pretty much. Let's type in Silkworm. Probably one of the best made games. And you'll see it comes up here, and then you'll click on, you can do all these different things, but hit on start, and pretty instantly it's battle. Yeah, the sound comes out the Amiga always. And it's, yeah,